Hi and welcome to How To with CastleKeyp on the web. Today we'll learn how to store an item in your safe. You can access your safe from the home screen in 3 ways. At the upper left, you can click on the key and choose My Safe. You can use the menu to choose My Keep, or at the right-hand side, you can click on the button to go straight into your safe. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main information categories, each of which has several subcategories listed in the next column. You can add as many entries into each of these sections as you want. Today we'll choose something from government and legal. Let's store a passport. Clicking on the golden plus to add an entry, type in information about the passport. A really key thing here is that you can add the expiration date. This is so useful because this will then generate a notification in the mobile app, which will notify you when your passport is about to expire. That way you can renew in time and avoid any possible late fees. This tiny step can save you so much time and money. In addition, you can add notes. For example, you can note where the hard copy is in your house, and then you can upload a picture. You can upload a picture from your computer, or you can use the mobile app's secure in-app camera. You can take a picture of your secure documents, and that picture will only exist in CastleKeyp, end-to-end encrypted. It won't be anywhere else on your phone or in the cloud, so it's about as secure as you can get. Then click Save, and the entry is saved in your web and also on your mobile application, so you can access it at home and on the go. Explore all of the different categories in your safe. CastleKeyp has given you a template for all of the grown-up life things you need to keep track of. But if you prefer to design it yourself, you can just use the miscellaneous section. Add unlimited entries, which will store alphabetically. You can add dates and attach PDFs or pictures to every entry. Add a few My Safe entries now. Having this sort of information at your fingertips will change your life. Watch the rest of our videos to learn more about using CastleKeyp on the web and mobile.